No, but everybody did a vote. Well, not everybody, but I put a poll on my community post and all, and so far it has ranked up to building a new design, like a newer, like 2020 design pickup. So we're gonna build one of the newer Chevrolet trucks. We're gonna make some money real fast though. I'm thinking about making another one of these trucks. Or maybe the lifted version. Not like the lifted version, but the stock type. Anyways, I had two polls out. One was for the type of vehicle, which I'm going to probably build all of them. I have a design as well for the OBS. That might be option to put right now, because y'all voted for the new truck. The new Chevrolet pickup. We have on the newest one. We're going to go ahead and build the newest one. Now I have a couple ideas. We got the new 2025 custom idea. And we can do the custom model that came with that to make it more legit. And put in the comments if you like this truck here, if you think I should build more low-rider truck. I think this is honestly my favorite I've built. Don't worry, the truck is rebuilt. When I get home today, I gotta test drive it, and then we'll be ready for Twitties. Tomorrow I will be putting it on the trailer. can't wait. I'm gonna get the best videos I can. My buddies are gonna record me. I'm gonna try to do a cab view. I need to invest in the GoPro, and I don't have money for the GoPro right now, so the best I can do for the moment is either get one of the phone holders. Probably just north of 50,000. Yeah, I think the game is glitched out because it seems like it's in like, I don't know why it seems like this, but it seems like what's my call it in So happy. I think my buddy's good luck for me because after the calipers locked up and all in the Sonoma, and he came out to help me, he I don't know what it is about that root beer can though, because he left a root beer can in my truck in the cup holder, and for some odd reason, everything's been going perfectly right on that truck so far. Like, I don't want to chance or nothing, but I think so far everything's been rebuilt like it's supposed to now. But when I took the master cylinder off the top of the engine up there on the firewall, it's the original one that came out of the factory. Alright, so we don't want it in any other color, maybe a red or a white. Oh, I like that blue. Yeah, I got $75,000 and 1,716 gold. But for the OBS Chevrolet, I'm building one called a Chevrolet Centurion. So all you need to do, y'all didn't say retro, and that's technically retro, but I want to build that one later. But this is when I'm talking about new school. So I can do that sleek green design with the color paint on there, and then do the white roof with the black center. Or I can do the retro right here, where it's the original model that came with that truck, to make it an actual new school Silverado. Or I can do that. Which, to be honest, I might just go ahead and buy 2 of them to do it. So that gives me the opportunity for both ideas in both trucks. Now, how does that sound? Okay, so far that actually looks really good. I do not know why. Oh, that looks so good. I don't know why. Why does that look so good? Yeah, it looks so better like that. And then we'll do the white side and then do the black center. And then we have a retro theme. Well, new school retro. I don't know why I keep saying retro, but it's like a new school theme design. So basically the new concept for 2025 is what that picture is. So basically all I'm doing is, if I get the parallel on both sides, I'll stick this down. And sorry about that, we're back. And yeah, so I gotta redo all that again. Ended up having someone call me for a moment. And yes, I'm editing that out. Or at least get one truck built. And I hate when it lags. I don't know why it's lagging. It's irritating as crap. No, I swear, I can't do one little thing. really. And I gotta go in. So after I finish this last thing, I put the rims and tires on it, and then purchase it, and then this truck is done. Really? Here's the phone. Rims. Dang it. I fixed the back of the cab later. For right now, that's just going to look like it's going to be lifted a little bit. Make it look like the picture, and then we'll do the white one over there. Everybody have a great and blessed day. Like, subscribe. Look out for more of the custom posts and all that for the polls. And I'll see y'all next time.